My company is Glaiva Overseas Private Limited, and we, for the worldwide, we're known as a Virgo Laminates as a brand. We have producing many products such as laminates, compacts, cubicles, cladding, and we are here. We are exhibiting first time in Kenya. At this platform, we meet n numbers of people like architects, contractors, interior designers.
We are the representative of some European brands here in East Africa, and we here on the exhibition met a lot of woodworking related peoples from bigger companies, but also from smaller enterprises who are interested in the next steps of technology for them. At the stand we have a little bit machineries over here, and we can show the people how these machines are working and how solid they are, and we hope that we can succeed with this for the future.
So we are from Hori Crane Products, Senayan Berhad, Malaysia. We are the particle board manufacturer from Malaysia. So this is first time that we are in Kenya for participate in the exhibition. So we can see that the exhibition crowd is quite okay. So and we can see the potential market in the Kenya. That's why we are here to participate in the exhibition.
Kenya Forest Research Institute deals with research in forest product development, forest seed development, and also development of technologies that help support forest sector development. In our display today, we are looking at production of laminates, wood laminates, bamboo laminates, and also production of high quality seed that help in development of timber.
I'm very happy to see the customers very comfortable to see these machines and asking to sell the machines stand, but we already sell this machine in future. I have lots of orders are there, customers are there, and customers very happy for our customer satisfactions, and also customers results are very good. Everything is good for us. Thank you.
So we are here basically to support startups. We have met different customers and companies who are willing to invest, but they do not have the financial aspect in it. So for Sidian Bank, we are here to support startups. We have discussed with different customers. So we in some time we'll meet them, discuss, and see how we can financially support them. And also, now that we have been supporting other customers, we'll also give them some knowledge how they can invest. Basically, we are here to give them financial support to these companies to take it to the next level.
This is the second edition of Woodtech Africa, and we had more than 50 exhibitors from 12 different countries. When you are growing with the edition, I think this is the best example that more than 50 exhibitors exhibiting from 12 plus country, and we had more than 10,000 visitors in 3 days. So I think already exhibitors met the expectation. They made a lot of business. There are a lot of inquiries which generated. There are a lot of interaction has happened in these last 3 days. We had a wonderful conference yesterday with more than 100 delegates participated in the conference. So overall, we are very happy, and obviously we would like to come back here again in Nairobi next year in 2024 as well.